Oh, what a nice day. Maybe go in the doghouse, get some work done. Ah, it's not work, it's play. Hey guys, back to the doghouse. Well, this is day 2 with the lawnmower, trying to get it running. I got the battery all charged up on my camera, and I've set the valves again so that they should be right. Now we'll give it a shot, see if I'm a winner or a whiner. Hang on. Well guys, I got everything back together again. Got the valve set. And now I'll just give it a shot, show you what I got. Still the same thing. So, did some more checking, and I think what the problem is, I have a bad cam. There's a pressure release valve on the camshaft, and it's either not working or it's broke off or whatever the case may be. So there is a way of getting around this here for the time being. It's not recommended, because if the part is down the bottom of your engine, it could catch something and screw it up big time. So anyway, if you just take your flywheel and turn your engine past the compression stroke, put your hand over the intake where your filter would normally be on your engine, and don't allow any air to get in there. Try it. See, there you go. So I took my filter off here, and you just put your hand over top of not over top, on the end of your thing, and turn it over. The thing is, if it doesn't start right away, well then you got to turn it again past the compression stroke, and then try it again. And that'll get it started. But I don't recommend starting it that often, because the pressure release valve obviously is broken, and it's probably down the bottom of your engine, and it could catch something and really screw it up. So anyway, I got to tear this apart and put in a new camshaft. They're not that much money, but they're a lot of work to put it in. I don't know when I'm going to get around to doing it. But anyway, thanks for hanging around, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye now.